Don't doubt yourself, doubt kills. Welcome to episode 3 of Stack Sundays here at Outlift Athletics. Today we had banded squats. I'm going to show you 3 ways to do it. 1 you can do at home, 2 you can do at your gym, or you can do it here at Outlift Athletics. If you're doing a banded squat with just a band, you're going to put it around your shoulder, under your feet, shoulder width apart. Once your band is set, you perform your squat. I like to do 3 sets of 10. If you're feeling risky, you can go a little bit further, do 3 sets of 12, 3 sets of 15, depending on your time. Once you find your squat rack, you're going to take the band, loop it around the pegs, inside the collar on both sides. Similar to how we performed the deadlift and the shoulder press in episode 1 and episode 2. Add the weight that you feel comfortable working with. Just be mindful that once you're squatting with the bands, it's already going to be a lot harder to work your way up. I like to do this for 3 sets of 10, working strength and endurance. If you're looking to build mass or muscle, I'll do this for 5 sets of 5, maybe add a heavier weight or a stronger band. Here at Outlift Athletics, we have special racks in which you can move the pegs from the bottom to the top to perform this variation. If your gym does not have a custom rack as we do, you can simply loop the band around the rack itself at the top. Once you're all set with the band, you will then perform your squat. You'll notice that going down, you feel that you can get a little bit deeper. This variation of the squat is going to open up your hips a little bit more and help you get deeper in your squat. I also like to do this for 3 sets of 10. If you're looking to build mass, you can simply go heavier or add a heavier band. Be sure to check in next week for episode 4 of Stack Sundays. Follow me on Instagram at CoachStack as well as at Outlift Athletics. Peace.